And then I thank to Professor Nazir, the Vice Chancellor of our university, who gave me the permission. I am highly thankful, first of all, to the organizers of this event, which is a global issue at this time, for participating and sharing my views with the scientists, with the scholars, and the teaching faculty of Afghanistan. Although it's a burning issue. What we had heard about Afghanistan, the ground reality is totally different, what we have seen here. But when we think that we will visit Afghanistan, even our relatives, our officers, they told us, rather they advised us, it's very difficult where you are going. The hospitality here, how they have organized this program, it was nice, well organized, highly appreciable. And I wish that there should be a grand success and some concrete measures would be taken for mitigating this climate change. And after this, when I will go back to my country, India, I will request all the scientists working in the different fields to visit Afghanistan at least once in life, to put forth their suggestions so that this country will become a prosperous one. And main thing which I want, the main message which I want to convey the residents of the Afghanistan, that they should cooperate with the government for making this country, especially the scientists, the young one, a successful and a prosperous country. And it's only possible because of the peace.
When I get back to the UK, is that this was a very good conference, that the commitment of the government of Afghanistan and of the university professors and lecturers in Afghanistan to climate change was very important. I was very impressed. I will say also that Afghanistan is one of the poorest countries in the world. Afghanistan has done nothing to create the problem of climate change. Afghanistan has had 43 years of war because of the other countries in the world, not Afghanistan. And on top of this, Afghanistan is one of the countries in the world with the worst impact of climate change. And that is not fair. And on top of that, the international community is keeping the Afghans out of the international climate talks in Dubai. They are not funding climate change work in Afghanistan. This is also not fair. So I will go back and say to the people in my country, Afghanistan should be included. Afghanistan should be helped. We should all be together as humanity facing climate change.